Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR SSL protocol error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select date and time in the right pane. Now make sure to turn all these three switches on for setting the time zone automatically, setting the time automatically, and showing the date and time. Now click on sync now and wait till you get a tick mark here. The next solution is to clear the browser cache and cookies. So open the browser, let's say it is Chrome. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Open Chrome, click on the option to open it. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, manage extensions. Now, if you see any problematic VPN extension, try disabling it. If it helps, it means that extension was the issue, so you can consider removing it. The last solution is to reset the browser, okay? And yeah, obviously you can also clear the cache and cookie. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history once again, delete browsing data, change the time range to all time, make sure that cookies and caches are selected, and then click on delete data. And then you can also go to this option to reset settings on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to their original defaults and select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.